Hello everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to fill out a special request for your club or organization on campus. First, you're going to want to log into Perch portal, and then you want to open the Home tab, which is located in the top left of the page. Once you're done, you're going to want to switch to Manage mode. This icon is located at the top right corner. Now, before you switch to Manage mode, you must either be the president or treasurer of your RSO, or be granted access by your leadership team. Once done, select Manage. Now for this example, I'm going to be using the executive branch, but be sure to use your respected RSO. Once done, you're going to want to open the menu, which is in the top left corner, and scroll down to the finance section. Then you're going to want to create new request, and then select create budget request. Be sure to read the detailed requirements and criteria for the special request. Once you're done, scroll down and select the blue hyperlink. Now, I already have an example, so I'm going to pull that up real quick. So this will then take you to the first page of the special request. Also, just so that you're informed, the request title will be the name of the event, initiative, or service that you will be hosting or providing, with a description of what is happening. Now, take this time to fill out the information. Once you are done, select Next. This will then bring you to page 2 of the request. This is just going to ask you for some additional information about your event, service, or initiative. Please be sure to answer all the questions, and if you're unsure or it doesn't apply to you, you can put NA. Once done, you're going to scroll down and select the Next button. This will then take you to page 3 of the request, which is your budget request. This has two main sections: wages and services, and items and materials goods. So this will then ask you to fill out what you'll be requesting with a description. The descriptions can include quantity, color, hours of service, and what they'll be doing. And to be sure, always to include a quote. Once this is done, you're going to scroll down and then select Submit. So once this is submitted, you're going to want to contact your RSO president, treasurer, and advisor for them to review their emails so that they can review the request to pass it along to the budget and allocations chair. Once this is done and it's officially passed to the budget and allocations chair, it will then be subject to review. This is what it should look like within your emails, and then you'll just select View Budget Request. And just like that, you're pretty much all done. If you have any other questions or need any help, please be sure to reach out to the Budget and Allocations Chair at sgabac@unf.edu.